Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about types of noun. In earlier class, we have discussed about kinds of noun, and today we will discuss types of noun. So, what is the difference between these kinds of noun and types of noun? From this, we will understand. Kinds of noun are 5, but types of noun are 2. One is countable, another is uncountable. So from these countable and uncountable, we easily understand that the noun that can be counted, we call it countable. That cannot be counted, that is uncountable. So that is in our lower stages, lower classes, we have already discussed. But in grammar, particularly in higher knowledge, there is something different, and that is related to another aspect, that is number. Number in the sense, there are 2 types of number in noun. They are singular and plural. So how these singular and plural are related to countable and uncountable, that we will discuss. So under singular, that means a noun must have singular form and plural form. For example, boy is the singular form and boys is the plural form. Cow, cows. Goose, geese. Leaf, leaves. So these are singulars and these are plurals. Yes. So we have already discussed this in our lower classes, but here some nouns have both singulars and plurals, and there are some nouns which have only singular numbers, that is like milk, that has no plural form, like water, there is no plural form, like ice, there is no plural form, like oil, there is no plural form. So we got here 2 categories. One category that has both the numbers, another category only singulars without its plurals. Another category there is no singular but plural, that is like people. People is always plural, it has no singular form. In the same way, cattle is always plural, it has no singular form. So here it is another category. So we got here 3 categories. One singular and plural both, another only singular, and another that is only plural. So here one conclusion we can come here, that the nouns which are both singular and plural, they are called countables. They are countables. But Another category that has only singular, that will come under uncountable. So what is about this? This is also uncountable. That is the noun which has plural form, only plural form, that is also come under uncountable. And the nouns that is only singular, that will also come under uncountable. But here are, as there are two categories, they are again divided into two: uncountable singular, uncountable plural. Clear? So here we got countables, uncountable singulars, and uncountable plurals. Is it clear? Okay. Now, the question arises here, one, that there are so many nouns and they may have only singulars, they may have only plurals, or they have both singulars and plurals, but here plurals are different. Some S are used, only S are used, and in some VES used, and there are some which are quite different from the singular one. So there are some categories. There are 6 categories of plurals. There are 6 types of plural techniques. Okay, that is a different topic, but here we are discussing about these countables and uncountables that comes under types of noun, that is related to singulars and plurals. And from these examples, we can understand that how they are categorized. But here the topic doesn't end. Here we have to practice more and more so that you can understand better about these countables and uncountables. So till now we have discussed these kinds of noun and types of noun. Now we will discuss uses of noun. So under uses of noun, how many ways a noun can be used? So a noun generally used in 3 ways. So that is called cases. Uses of noun. There are 3 cases. First case, second case, and third case. First one is nominative. Nominative use of noun. Another is accusative. Accusative case of noun. And another case, possessive. So it is very simple to understand, but here are some grammatical terms like nominative, accusative, and possessive. But this nominative is when this noun is as a subject in the sentence. This is case 1. When a noun is used as a subject, that is called nominative. And second case is a noun as object. And third case is nouns as possessive. So the possessive form of a noun is with an apostrophe. That is apostrophe. So apostrophe, when you will put any apostrophe s, that will be the possessive form of the noun, like cow, cows, apostrophe s. So that becomes the possessive form of a cow. Like boy, boys. When, if it is boys, if it is plural, then we will put this apostrophe after s. Then this will be the possessive form of boys. So this is the technique of making a noun into possessive form. Okay. And another, the noun as a subject, noun as an object. So here, if that noun is used as a subject in the sentence, then when you will put with who or what, then you will get the subject. As the form of the noun is the same in case of subject or object, so to understand the subject in the sentence, we have to ask with a question with who, then the answer comes the subject. And then with whom or what, then we get the object. So the noun can be used as a subject or as an object or as a possessive in the sentence. So this is the use of noun, and there is no other use other than these three ways. Okay, so it is all about noun, its kinds and its types. Hope you understand it better, but the question arises when you will practice it again and again and think about this noun and its uses, then only you will be sure about your knowledge. Okay, best of luck. Thank you very much.